Hi, this is Victor and welcome back to my math tutoring channel. In this video, we'll solve that indefinite integral, which is integral of x to the power of 3 e to the power of x dx. To solve that integral, I have to use the formula integral of u dv is equal uv minus integral of v du. In that case, I will say let u is equal x to the power of 3, so my du is equal 3x to the power of 2 dx, and my dv is equal to the e to the power of x, so my v is equal the integral of e to the power of x dx, which is equal e to the power of x. So my v is equal e to the power of x, and I apply the formula, the integral of u dv. So the integral of x to the power of 3 e to the power of x dx is equal u times v, which is x to the power of 3 times e to the power of x minus v du. My v here is e to the power of x, and my du is equal 3x squared. So I'll put the 3 here because it's a constant. X squared dx. So now that part is resolved here. I need to resolve this part here. So I will encircle this because I will use it at the end, and I will work with minus 3 integral of x to the power of 2. So again here, I'm going to use the same formula, integral of u dv is equal uv minus v du. In that case, I will say let u is equal e to the power of x, so my du is equal e to the power of x dx, and my dv, no, you know what, it's better if I take my dv is equal to the power e to the power of x. So here I will take let u is equal x squared, so my du is equal 2x dx, and my dv is equal e to the power of x, so my v is equal integral of e to the power of x dx, so my v is equal e to the power of x. It's better, it's easier to take my dv e to the power of x. So minus 3 integral of e to the power of x squared dx is equal minus 3, and I open a big parenthesis. It is u times v, which is x squared times e to the power of x, minus integral of v du, minus integral of my v is equal e to the power of x, and my du, I will put the 2 here, it become x dx, and I close my parenthesis. So always when you see there is e to the power of x, take it as dv, because like the derivative of e to the power of whatever is e to the power of that whatever. So minus 3 integral of ex x squared dx is equal minus 3 x squared ex minus 6 integral of x ex dx. And here again, I will work with this part of my integral, and I will encircle, I will encircle this because I will use it at the end. So this is, I will put this first and then I will put this second, yeah? And I will work with the minus 6. So now minus 6 integral of x e to the power of x dx. Again, I'm gonna use the same thing, integral of u dv, which is equal, I will take u is equal to x, so du is equal to dx, and dv is equal e to the power of x, so my v is equal integral of e to the power of x dx, which is equal to e to the power of x. So my v equal e to the power of x. So minus 6 integral of x ex dx is equal minus 6 u times v x e to the power of x minus integral of v du. My v is equal e to the power of x and my du is equal dx. And I close it. So this is equal minus 6x e to the power of x plus 6, and the integral of ex is ex plus c. So this is my third term here. And now I will copy all the terms. Number 1 was x to the power of 3 ex. So equal x to the power of 3 ex. My second term is equal minus 3 x to the power of 2 ex, and my third term is minus 6 x to the power of x times e to the power of x plus 6 e to the power of x plus c. And if you want, I can factor out e to the power of x because I have it everywhere. So I have e to the power of x here, e to the power of x here, e to the power of x here, e to the power of x here. So it is equal e to the power of x, factor out x to the power of 3 minus 3x to the power of 2 minus 6x plus 6 and the plus c. If you like, that would be the final answer of the integral of x to the power of 3 e to the power of x dx. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. That would help me tremendously. And if you push the like button, I would really appreciate it. Thank you for listening.